Heroku to Google App Engine number 7. I fucking hate this. So in our Heroku deployment, if we go to Atomic Ivy MMO, we get, all of the source code of the file we've been working on. If we try to do that on our Google App Engine deployment, right, go to Atomic Ivy MMO, we get internal server error. Yeah, fuck this shit. So now, I don't expect to get the source code yet, but I expected to at least get a string that I hard-coded, and we're not getting that, and I fucking hate this. So in the environment detection section, we've added a tag to find this easier, and then we've added this, are we in Google App Engine environment? So right here, we're going to decide if we are inside of Google App Engine. So yes, Goog is true. If we're inside of Google App Engine, these are some disallowed variables. This is if we're not in Google App Engine. Then down here in our executor function that gets the source code of the file we're currently in, if we are inside of a Google App Engine environment, the output contents of file is just going to be this string, this hard-coded string letting us know that we can't get the file. So this string right here is what I expect to fucking see right here, okay? I don't expect to get this, but I at least expect to get that hard-coded string, and I'm not fucking getting that because probably the Google App Engine is doing some weird proxy bullshit. So here we use the input acceptor function with the contents of the file. The contents of the file is this. We're not getting what we want for this executor function that is called by the getSelfAim function right here, right? The executor function that does all the heavy lifting is wrapped by a never no promise, returns the promise, blah, blah, blah. So over here, this which environment thing, we made a beginning and ending tag for it, and because it has a hashtag, you can actually see what we're talking about with the which environment. So anyways, if we are in probably a Heroku server environment, so not a Google App Engine environment, then we can actually do hard disk system access and get the actual source file by doing a read file on the hard disk and then spitting it back. But we can't do that on Google App Engine. So here's what we did previously, and then our footnotes and whatnot, and just fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. So yeah, I don't recommend Google App Engine. You can pause here to read this, but we got to get out of here. So you've been on video 352. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail.